Earlier this week, Google announced their new chat AI called Bard, and they were going to show a demo of it this week. So, how did the demo go? Well, probably this is a view of what the developers at Google looked like before the release, and it was warranted. Once they released the AI chatbot, there was some errors. Things went wrong, and because of that, the stock plummeted. Google plummeted $100 billion in the stock market on Wednesday after the demo happened. So, what went wrong? Well, during the demo, Bard was asked a question and it got it wrong, and scientists pointed it out. Now, this isn't unforeseen because even with the Bing demo, they prefaced it by saying, "Hey, listen, sometimes this thing, this system gets it wrong." Because Bard was so rushed, and I'm not sure of how many, contingencies they said or disclaimers, but it wasn't loud enough. So when Bard got this wrong, a lot of people were saying this is terrible. But to keep in mind, it just has to get better. ChatGPT has over 100 million users, constantly getting feedback if the answers are right or wrong. Uh, this Bard thing from Google, it's still learning. It's still weeks away before the public can have it. But it's not a great showing when you roll this out and it's already a hot mess. So this is just the beginning of what's happening against Microsoft and Google and what they're going to be doing with AI. But it's important to know that the heart of this is data sets and understanding how this AI and machine learning is going to work in the future. It's really important. And Microsoft is already announcing that they're going to be allowing people to create their own version of ChatGPT based on their data. So stay tuned. If you want more information, more news stories about this kind of thing, you like this, make sure you like and subscribe and let me know in the comments section that this is helpful for you. All right, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye bye. Have a great day. Like and subscribe.